Kwanta Kwame Senegal Papa Joseph Senegal Efo Aflao Neba Hana Ewa Trinkomo kakra ba ko mienu miensa Senegal wo mo abakwasem ba African Cup a wo mo abakwasem wo mo pa ana Cape Verde so we ni etoso mienu a one more make appearance African Cup of Nations emu bom homo den papa tumirika jaman fo hye nintire ani akunini fo abepie mu sabre Senegal so with all their players Sadio Mane numune Mendy numu nyina nanka ya twotwofrocho asaya dum asaya so asaya du asaya so inamu ababedu the knockout stage nanwumre no wo ne wo mind tiasman Verde and the Bweni Okuma Radio 97.1 and I attend Kunyamwa Yadi Ebremo 349 and when you fear Mubia Kwaba I feel out of feeding out to one more Okuma Radio 97.1 ES Security Services Security Services Omada Roma and Omaso Yasnia, the commentary Abramo, and the Wudu Abiru, and in Potemu, have a 5 upon the Kofalate, and the Rogram woman was the kind of Sabi woman Nisika, and then Temu for Ubia Petit, Papa, Decoder, Papa, and the phones, and in accessories. Nana did not make canon manager phone, Yadia Quarry, arrow, near Boas. What the phone tells me no, the above them was any woman dear, Yakasa, Nipaneti, the above them say, Kum, I say no. And the phones near accessories, Nino, power banks near dear, Okopium, Yenu Abema, E-Links, Security Services are, Benyana, Papa, the decoder, DSTV, dear, and I fear, Go TV, I will see Golo TV, I'm saying your Golo, Golo Wine TV. Go TV, Ubenyano, Papa Power, and I see one more. Now, what I should be Nafi, November, you have a World Cup of Crabbers with me to Ganadina to me. Come on. Nadaroma, Nra, where set up Kama, just unique as you Emma, you had the comment before at the Braille. Now, you see, Oko, Gambia, money judge, no more Sankati, and what talk with you, Sankati, talk with you. Now, you and Senegal and Cape Verde, Edibuena. Kwame Senegal at the team is set. Kwame Akwaba na fianchu. Kwame.
Also,
that is saying.
Nyakupanga marking present. Or the Adumye. Or marking present.
Embassy me want to be work. I feel in here. I feel in Yami. Send a TB. I'm talker. Mo kwa rama fako. Talker and moto no kwa de minya to baby.
I feel in Yakuma man. Science in the cry, you're good.
Yeah.
Science in you good. Science in you good, pa also.
Okay, what the African Cup nature have my thoughts so far? Yeah.
So before I met you, as my main far when you so from French yama obeying anima get through the four animals and I'm a friend.
Okay.
Mampong, but see, I make a say there on Namwa Caswa side on so tebu mupa, upon home wedding pa, and Minfa, how can you use an French yama? Ra obeying any maggot through the four animals and I'm a friend.
Abbas and so a year a credit. Okay, now could the nature matters for a credit. Don't say, only say me, and now in your home, Vienna. Den crab and I'm saying, but so far, all the Chabba Senegal, Cape Verde, yeah.
I think the tournament has been interesting. There have been surprises. Surprises be brave. Mama man Kron Ghana, yeah, 1 point in our history was a big surprise. And so Africans number 1, Algeria, and also Exeter, and we share what is coming out Nigeria. With all the stars, the Nwobis, the Indindis, Galaxy of Stars, the Chukwuezes or whatever. Almost so they lost to Tunisia. Only well-known players behind. I think on the whole, we can say it's a tournament. People are well poised for action. They are doing very well, and there are surprises coming. And I'm expecting more surprises. The underdog teams are really proving their worth, and they are proving, say, The African Cup is very competitive and anybody is capable of winning.
Looking at players, are we yet there? Say the likes of France, a World Cup near there. African teams, you bet me I could do World Cup stage. Yet me in Konyabi and the African Cup. Yeah.
When it comes to talent-wise, Africa is on top.
Okay.
But near how facilities and man management.
Oh, okay.
You understand? Man management and facilities. And how because we share all the major leagues or whatever across Europe is dominated by African players. Can find out She Mendy, Nancy Mendy. Young can't etonum ni Drogba num ni yesi anum. One crowd there is passing gone. She Mendy, she Indindi, she Idris Ghana Gay. There are a lot of players are at least who say yes, they are really doing well. But talents need here. How to manage them and get the best out of them, how to groom them, keep them together, and then get the best out of them is the problem. Abrafuno, they're able to keep their players. Germany, I remember Germany. At a point in time, Oliver Kahn fees was generation fees. Almost about 15 coaches. That time, I'm head coach or a course board Germany. They called about 15 national coaches and they sat down and they planned an agenda to replace that team. You know, Moshe and said, no, this is how we can go about it. Into Omo Fama no noya, Omo Fawe, Omo Famula, Omo Fawe, and they started from there. Okay. They started doing Omo cruise from under 17. Now Koye, no one nebo. You can see that there is a plan in place. What I say, but you know, you miss our plan. Few countries are. Omo realizes how on started yes, I know they are getting results. Okay. What I think you want me to say Mali, no money are they Eastern Africans now. They are getting results because this is how they started. Okay. So what I think the man management, if you're able to do our man management talent wise, Abrafuno they can match us.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Abrafuno cannot match us, but still I know. And then match and say down there the Senegal na. And
you're down there.
Okay.
It takes never ever done there. Nigeria, Tunisia was a done deal for Nigeria because Nigeria crop of players who move prime. But there were surprises. African Cup he has proven say anybody is capable of beating anybody.
Oh, okay.
Although some teams stand favorites, you can't take it away. Nandra Comoros goalkeeper. I'm a player. Now, but look at this. It tells you say, and yet to say Europe will be able to cut it through any smaller team like that, and it doesn't work that way. Until you know, although Senegal looks favorite, but I know Verde will give them a run for their money.
Okay, and the first half,
it will be a difficult game, but Senegal will be up by 1-0.
First half,
they will win. They will carry the first half.
Okay. And the first half, no question. 1-0, they are not 0.2, and a percentage in West. Say 1-0 there, and that's percentage.
So we be winning game. Winning game. First half, they are. Senegal is about 70%.
Okay. Yo, and it's Kwame Senegal na motene kan na nadi is ever ready just say what na watuja na commentary 45 minutes of action no if you come on radio 97.1 and I dey bremo me say writer and krobia omu nyina ababidu achi wonu mu a enye bete writer ababigina tunesa sa dana we dia wadaroma yesi adwuma expect abe na mfama IGP na adwuma so IGP be no what man expect ape hwanhwe waji dampare no nyam wona ho na ya front na adi emanyina memanyina okay otrase no otuja na yatumi hayo okoma 97.1 midin ade kwa me hene da akoma materials fo nyina amrante hene na restaurant nana
All right, and every year Mobi Bia Kwapa and Fambro Kuma 97.1 and the total African Cup of Nations round of 16 and an AFC so the match between the Triangle Lions of Senegal and Afensino Cape Verde ana nawia eno so baso ube pm wa team ne solid o commentator Nana Kwame Amponsadi ube team from AK alongside the boy writer Krabia Sante ana fenso no Kwame Senegal amunyina ofia Mekase ES Security Services ES Links Security Services Amadaru Mekure mu na live commentary ba Opedicoda Go TV Samsung DSTV antennas Ebano security cameras obi CCTV Yatombi phone accessories pen drive memory card phone batteries in obi you were everywhere kuapem Frey was 0241 667285 0241 667285 Enterprise Chamranto Mujina Masaka Nama Fermianu Uko Piemo Kevara goalkeeper Vonzi had a post mo defenders are Brante Fortes Lopez Stopira midfielders are Brante Tavares Rocha Santos Andrade Fortes Sansona Frontino Montiero Mendes and Rodriguez Senegal catch goalkeeper Edward Mendy as to the post mo defenders no Brante Sa Kaludi Koulibaly Esai Ejidam se captain Edema Senegal Diallo Size Brante Dia Idris Gana Gay Elmeford Mendy and Brante Papa Guaye Ezo Ejidam Finfini up front Brante Diaou and Afensono Sadio Mane referee from Morocco Ben Brahma and an pay 41 pounds so check game no so fourth official referee Daniel Lai from Ghana another day Ojiran sa fourth official Edema game no and then Black Stars and Kwati anima Daniel Lai etianim game na chance anisa a big game Johnny live for Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook Samsung on YouTube answer your Okuman Radio 97.1 Instagram Twitter at Okuman 971 also bet me follow your home Atanga Bernard on Facebook or say I'm watching live from Kuntuna say nice program Prince Safai or say Okuman thumbs up yes Prince Safai I do heavy Yantua game so far 2 minutes into play Senegal Sebi Kevari Sebi a corner Brante Bunasa Bunasa referee here Osasumudi referee here referee Yantua game is Bunasa for Senegal but to ball then as a referee offside referee Ben Brahma from Morocco was offside here Senegal internet Cape Verde goalkeeper Vonzia Obepo Eriesim Krabia Santiwa Krabia so far 3 minutes into play go by
yeah I think that so far a game against and I say involving these two sides always be a game fayi papa Cape you know what say one ball always be a dafem one more possessive ball telephone so then Senegal at least say local coach but they were or also they set up any they were all ball game I think that and also fayi pa and these two sides one way to me Asia and 4 times and the last competitive times I want share was Russia 2018 World Cup qualifiers now more group and they lost Senegal and I say Cape Verde lose both sides in home and away lose by 2-0 each that particular games in and out of the 4 games I want born Senegal to me actually 7 goals and then Cape Verde and to me share a single goal one last 4 games I want to me about 99 things that this side one share be always be Senegal on top of the game
Senegal on top of the game Paul Abedi Nasrabi A goal kick Ayabatia. The Teranga Lions of Senegal. Teranga Lions of Senegal. Goalkeeper Makevet. Vanzia. Jina bonus was Munkom. Munkom na mimbo boni sim. Munkom na mimbo boni sim. Boni da sinsemo trepan. Bono Kulipali wa pimide frio na bono koye. Abedi Montero wa pia de ma prante Stopira to de ma Tavares for Kevin. Yeah, bona physical. Atava so Senegal na pa. Aprantia sis brade. Chana show. Chana show antia fatia. The Blue Sharks of Quebec. Opponent pass to one upper. Aprantia Ade Styles on the bonnepa. Wapiara coach Adama. Aprantia Diallo for Senegal. Opponent Chisha. Aprantia Ade. Idris Ghana gay. Wapiara Aprantia Papa gay back to Ghana. Yadid Free Ghana Sam. One upper. Tavares. Upon the boom. Bonif say. Bonavedi. Aprantia Ade. Andrande long pass to Fortis. Yeah, Fortis and Santiman Cabor. Atava so Sadio Mane. But why the ball cross away with Senegal as to Bonnie a corner kick. A corner kick Ayabatia. On mine Cabo Verde. A corner kick Ayabatia. Cabo Verde. Senegal Bonasa Sadio Mane Ejina Bonachi Bonasa Sinakanima Bayern Munich Ujina Bonachi for Senegal Bakumi enu Saboni Tete Piano Sadio Mane Oshobi Mano Mane Atafa so Wanepa Abrante Rodriguez As Bona trace through in a 20 Senegal searching for the opener. Yaturin Tampa Suda Betre, Abib Diallo, wa Pierama Kaludi Koulibaly na de Bonipa, was not Pierama Diallo Chichobiriamano, Patanu Fefe, or Chobiriamano, wa Pierama size, Yajerefi, that be size beautiful tell, and the Bonipa, Senegal, the Pierre Coma, Idris Ghana gay, wa Pierama Papa gay from you, gay, Samsa. Gay from you, gay for Samsa. Give for your games, Samsa. Krabia Sante. Hey. Amintia. Obaya Ida. Ote commentary no papa. Minu akitwa no. Ote commentary no Ida heavy. Aseki itiemu pa. Oya heavy one pa. Kaludi Koulibaly wa Pierre ba fifi na Mendy so dia ma Aprantia Ghana na po anya my Ghana where Ghana see Akaraba Senegal we dey ngwaso for one ba ye susu ama força Senegal na surabi amfa ekoki kaya batia amman Senegal 8 minutes and a ball. Teranga Lions of Senegal 0. The Sharks of Quebec 0. Total African Cup of Nations round of 16. Another of my Comoros and Famamu Cameroon and Kunim. As to Comoros, my TV yourself and any fans on Mojepa. Hey, and Yawa said no job. Yes, a game national defender and Adam Comoros. Near Bossimana, not Comoros, Eddie Red Card. No Muklamusa 2-1 Cameroon. Enya mwa so say Ghana. Enya wa so say the Black Stars of Ghana. Comoros. Say Cameroon won the game, but Comoros won our hearts. Cameroon won the game, but Comoros won our hearts. And now be pie we ourselves and nyina. Ubia bo Comoros abaso. Ubia bo Comoros abaso. Na manfo bi say team ya be sha Cameroon age na yes team no player bi adi anya COVID. Team bia be sha Cameroon yes team no player anya COVID. Ana goalkeeper ya say anya COVID in player gochi. You ever start the game the players in rap park na you say if they test ni negative. Into our stance him. Ninyina we samis here the ball afcon. Ninyina can be. Yeah, yes, the elimination by rough status. You are to change. Krobia Sante. Shana Black Kuje. Nana dying. Krobia, F1. Location, Rana. Toy Kofi. The baby are Kofian Echo. Kevin Pana, Sajibone from some Bonabedi, Senegal, and Senegal Trace throwing. A throwing at 20 Senegal. A throwing at 20 Senegal. Kevin, a printed 40s, the red boot mine. Miami player on the 40s. She a red boot, feeling it too. Abedi, a printed Tavares is to be the man. At so Senegal Napa, Senegal. Oh, a piano question about Ghana body a patch, a printed Diallo Napa, Diallo setting forward for Senegal. Diallo, one of the Senegal, now Senegal born the French. Yaji born the French. A corner kick. A corner kick, Botia. Cabo Verde. A corner kick, Botia. Cabo Verde. Ushe place na. Ubia black amba na bonisa. Black amba na bonisa. Sansanwa Daura Usemo Cameroon. Stampede pa. After the game. Stampede see our stadium nachi. Ama nipa enso efrimu. Football near ball. It's a nay. Bibisa Kwesi na Daura Usem. And after the game, Cameroon Comoros. Stampede see nipa enso to be frimu. It's a nay team support nyina black ampan. Abobiansa. Ye Daura Usem. Na so ya de football Emranti abeto so. Aliou Cisse head coach at Senegal. O Kasachre Daniel Lai, Daniel Lai goalkeeper no keeper no delay. Atewa so Sadio Mane for Senegal kura no sa referee say foul. Referee Bambrama from Morocco. O say foul etia Cabo Verde. Yeah, Mane and a pump here and as a style. Baby a born in Dano 18 box na chipe and a mombe and 9 Ubera Cabo Verde boxing him. Yes, referee was not lie. As my friend, go behind the line. Munya line eti Ube jirani bra masubeshi. And the free kick Batia Cabo Verde Idris Gana Gay original bonnet for Senegal. Idris Gana Gay. Krobia Sante. C'est tu me. I am free kick at ma Senegal. The same baby a born dano. Kevin Sani for so and I'm a man and I will run a boxing. A free kick at ma Senegal. Referee said and cry. Obi to that form. Yeah, obi akwa form a children baby on medal. I say one na for you we need to also wa wasem. The we need also there was so akwa still was aba. A free kick at Senegal. Free kick at Senegal. Referee Bambrama of Morocco. Waparabai. Senegal ball up in one and say Ghana gay wa cross the small Nasrabi Cabo Verde you bought the French referee offside. So far 14 minutes Senegal still 0-0.
I think it's expected. The tempo of the game is expected. It's a Senegal pressure, high pressing. They are not allowing the Cavadians to play their normal game. Almost tackling right from their goal post into the center half. And I think it's a irresistible Cavade for me. As it stands now, Senegal for inside the Cavade finish, and I won't be surprised. So they will get an early goal.
Kwame Senegal, I say I want to Senegal be an early goal. Say I want to Senegal searching forward, Radda, Bunasa, Pierre Khalid Koulibaly, long pass, Oshisawayo, Senegal, apprentice size, Wafabono, Pierre Sadio Mane in Faso, Wachumako, Wachufa, CA 40 Abachino, the international referee, my friend, get up, a corner kick at here, Cabo Verde, and I don't know who I'm ready. Kevin Abrante Rodriguez ne Montiel Remfa Paul no kromo na nke bi mpona akoyasem man you try no referee say sorry Sadio Mane and they walk up ya baba boy Mane ne Salah owu ba ko enko walk up we ya dan ba ko enko walk up we ya dan twomu na betinye pekura Mane Salah anya de mu ba ko abeko walk up. Hey, we say ball ni nyina sanitize. You sanitize ball no. Afcon yi, organize papa. Cameroon fire there. Na so no jamra tuntum. Yeah. Aye isa. Go kick about Senegal. Vanzia for Gevard. Wa pass Timothy Entrepreneur Pay. Police say abere Senegal Frenchro. Apprentice size wa Pierre Diallo Pim. Ya yire Frenchro. Paul Abedi. Atras e trou. Trou ina ya twetia Senegal. Trou ina ya twetia Senegal. Haya Kuman 97.1. Akuman Yabari apa Woyo Mr. Yabari apa. If you can beat us Masa Tiremuni anko. If you can beat us Masa Mr. Tiremuni anko. Koso Akuman Yabari apa. Yemedi agro. You say for the love of our game and for God and country and Yaba Suniapa, ya boy Juma, and ya mo crap mine, ya Bobby de Magana mine, yes, I'm for an Obiati. Kwadio Prince, I see me shop live. Isaac Goffey and Papa Fresh, I say, more fire. More fire soon come from out. Kwadio Prince, I say greetings to you all the sports crew. Powers, we have you see also. My friend India and the Niama to Tumsa. India for India. India for India for
One more room 190 say indeed.
I wish Afcon. Then you are command son.
And so far I'll be out in the office. Onishi was on a laptop now or share YouTube or command Facebook now or share live on the side now. As to sort China ye cano and as on to one of the say on so I think that good to have these foreigners one more monitor program day in day so it's good for command.
So command Yajibabia Obia tie si abri asura se tutu mampo opusma se malokroman fe sawam so begrofotie sazu na kropon abru dawa gugwadu kroma predi asisi so asirima so manya fotie Akrade ni wa krade ora krade akoso monuaso Sanzuna ugo piemu atua ogome voter rigifo mutie atenta madina bokobi kasua ye record betumasu record betumasu sa que Verde di record anya mwa apprenti Patrick Andrade odi record anya mwa yes bit red card referee be man red card I say senior round of 6 years I say red card nkwa yes
it tells you the intensity of the games. Senior game near much more fair. This is a bad tackle. Maybe I won't be surprised. It's a clear red card offense. A clear red card offense. When you referee now man red card, then I lucky. It's a clear red card.
Red card. Referee, I see yellow card now. Man, massa. Away, Andrade Patrick Bra. I see my try yellow card in the move. Red card.
I think it's a good officiating. Clear red card, and that's why the VR is there. It's there to check some of these things. When you say you won't be able to get all the incidents right until you come back then you go and pick on some of these incidents and you make the right decision.
Nah, the boot no, so no.
Boot no. Yes, you know, how stars. You need host no to. So I mean, it's a dangerous tackle. So to me, to your game, so that's why I'm very lucky.
And now Cameroon, Comoros, same thing, red card. Gambia, Guinea, red card, and other. Sanzuna, Nigeria, Tunisia, Iwobi, same incident, red card. Hey, if we grab you, Gabon, Burkina, red card. It's a round of 6 years, a match via red card. Hey, boys, one money now. Boys, we look sharp. Look sharp. I think I also there was best. Boys, yeah, boys in the morning, come on, look sharp for power. One follow trend now. And got boys are here. Come out via red card. And you may Morocco, Malawi. Merci, Ebesu. Yeah, you for good actually. Investing, now let's go cross time for Senegal. Senegal, you born the French, apprenti ni dia. Oh, and me play why slow Rodriguez. Ono Montiero nya is slow ba shi omunya wa so ba shi tu. Born already Fortes, ya born it ten na so da bi obi anu ho. Krobia 21 minutes game na yeah.
Yeah, I think that per one more records any bibia enya dia Verde etumi the goal at Senegal for 4 consecutive times, and in friendly matches and a competitive matches our boy enya dia to match go. Then again Senegal so whenever we share Verde bia we share over 1.5, meaning say we more than 1 goal, so least the crano 2 goals and our to me share per goals our match any meetings are more to me a meeting. But Senegal this tournament in the modern bono and dance so in at all. Senegal modern bono into me and so any, and then I think that still now that problem coach Efreno Aliu say into me solve here this time. 270 minutes our boy from the group phase 3 matches in Inano one more about 36 shots, and out of these 36 shots 80 per and it to me on target. 8 out of 36 and it to me on target, and out of that 8 on target and so single goal, just a goal per and our to me share, and then no crown pony a spot kick from a Sadio Mane against Zimbabwe, and one to me and share open play goal 270 minutes and Senegal boning from the group phase. One to me share single goal, and they won 1-0 against Zimbabwe. They drew 0-0 against Guinea, then 0-0 against Malawi. And if this Senegalese side, draw 0-0 without registering a goal against these oppositions, it tells you say the team, it has been built very well at the back and the midfield, but up front, one more lacking any credibility and I say creativity up front, and they say one be clinical enough to put some of these chances at one more a creative up front, into a fruition, you know, and also have a problem. And one more problem, you know, has been a one more front line, you know. Keita Badinum, a Jumabi and Sadio Mane by, you know, a penalty back and a way to me. The only goal they've registered our tournament way, I say, and up front to Nina no OBBI and said that interest or you capable to be to me the goal to me about so Bulai dia or Villarreal woman and woman to me and that, but these are top notch in the strikers. I'll be now one European team or this middle table teams are woman so to me elbow, but yet nothing is working for them up front. But the method anyone which then in their last first two games, woman any the services of Abrante friend Kalidou Koulibaly, any Eduardo Mendy of Chelsea. But this time round, in their last game, no woman Malari, these players want to me returning to duty, and this is their second game. Woman so airball tournament we have. So woman center back war from post defense, you know. Bad method very solid, and women's you know it will be very hard because we'll be beyond some far born to Martin in 270 minutes. They've never also considered a single goal, meaning from a 2-1 method and very tight and very hard for any opposition to break them down. But women's so up front, you know, and a problem. If say a team be to me share any Senegal faster, it will be very difficult for them to get the equalizer. But women's so share you find the same thing, very difficult to break them down to also get the equalizer. So but for now, per everything I involve in Senegal any Verde, I think it favors them, and the red card numerical advantage also goes in favor of them. And for this particular game, I think in all one will be putting up a fight, but at the end of the day, Senegal beat me carry the day.
And we are Cropia Santini Semoria to draw. Ko Facebook. Na friends no join the Jumadie no. Ko Facebook your command radio 97.1. Like your page no. Share. Na friends so drop your comment. What size Kofi Zingaro or say watching live from Atimota Mile 7. So fine I'll be there live. Nice. What side Kofi Zingaro? I'm man for sardine pa. That secondary school. We are man for sardine pa. Worry. West side Zingaro. Na do point in. I say koso sa wa monochrome. I say koso sa wa monochrome. A monochrome for biem. We heavy. Yencha monochrome for nyina. Yes. Na do point in. I say koso a monochrome. As a comment in a koso. Koso pa. Afrique botia Senegal. Afrique botia Senegal. Benjamin Edouard Mendy Rada. Edouard Mendy goalkeeper ma Senegal. I say amunya woni yo na no da na. Ya say boy you we chire sa una na ni ba no se na da pom. Kumoro sase. Rocha Santos. Why yes mutete tayina sebi. Ya ibone na free chire obola be di Senegal. Abrantia yi bunasa pia da kwache da ma abrantia. Papa Guaye Koulibaly bim abodi e free chire wana ba my boy si wana jiko ni men. Tavares for Kevin. Tavares a trying natural referee for Senegal. Tavares. Tavares à la forme. C'est un fort bâti à Senegal. Un fort bâti à Senegal. Goalkeeper Vanzia of Quebec. Bakumiyero apos mutete. One ball. Etrebayo payan. Ya pimbo frechro. Sadio Mane. Mane neba. Ya jibo de free money 7. Asuda money son papa. Senegal neba. Ya ball ten. One ball. Onyawo. It's a bonny throwing at 20. Senegal. And throwing at 20 Senegal. The Teranga Lions. Kai Senegal Senegal. Afcon a boy. Amunji bida. Upon our players in our history of Ukraine. Amunji Afcon na. Amunji Afcon na. Amunji Afcon na. Senegal, it's almost just a few befana. Happy birthday, Kasen Confirma. Nano Damia. Another two. Depend on me. Birthday, no, depend on me. It's my car. Nano Damia, happy birthday, Confirmano. I said, oh, a date in Tomba, or America. Nano Damia, will date into America. Hey, yeah, baby. Another mia. Another mia. So date and then to America. One pound to America or date into America. Birthday we date. To a damn young America. Yo, a boy, Betty. A boy, a Betty, papa. Happy birthday, confirm. Bunasa, akoyi asomade na to. We start game rush asomade. Bunasa. Hey, every first year Bunasa. Bunasa Senegal Germany. Erma Bayern Munchen. Kamu dia makan Bayern Munich. Tu Germany kan Bayern Munchen. Vanzia for Verde. Wa boy simultaneously. As Bonnie say, Montero yaji de frinisem. 30 minutes played. Senegal Sebi, Verde Zun Sebi. Total Africa Cup of Nations. Round of 16. Emwade. Akwebe gaga pao. Verde akwano tibenchi. Verde at the red card. One ever. Senegal goalkeeper Vonzia Verde abechipon. Oh boy, Azan. What to one actually is here. I said the fresh and good to the man. Fancy I say money at Tiano. Hey, goalkeepers. One advantage is saying ordinary players need to get cry. Now, yeah. Oh, now you be a man who cry now. Hey, man who cry, man who cry, or some money at Tiano. Hey, footballers. Judgment day, they are very. The footballers, what we are supporting when that's what that's a that's a party every day. Footballers, that's a party every day. That's a and throwing it to attack a bet and the pass was Senegal for tomorrow. Whatever size, that's what ever so Fortis, but Pierre the man Fortis and what they're there. That did the friend is Senegal. That's a ball at rest throwing. This is gonna get a bag. I can't bar. So far, 32 minutes, crop ya. Game no, go by yeah.
Okay. I know better. You know, sometimes so only team be a born in the team no. A record always be and one more finding different antidotes. One more the book game no, and one more come with different approach, any different pattern of play. So more of the players, you know, ever sit back. When any defending, then one more unya a team one more wingers no very sharp to that of Andrade. I win from Comoros and Rantiana. The likes of you see if you know any Ben no unya sharp attackers are always be you have about 2 midfielders and another 2 in the up front, having all the other men our more city very deep at the back, and then Canadians it to me AUC. So they always rely on the pace of Abrante Freno, Yamiro Montero, and Gary Rodriguez. But this time, we say even before I want to play an OBJ record, no na one more share down function and Medicine can say these are a side that one more the Senegalese side, very, very, very solid method any defense, and it won't be easy for any other team. this tournament aye boy say ube to me accept pass and I say ube break it through this midfield. Now I share that of their defense. Then the man imposed. Eduardo Mendy. It won't be easy for any other team. And also all this competition. And Nona, Emma Mranti bit say Yamiro Montero, and Gary Rodriguez into me in fancy. But I think that if Senegalese are also coming in for their goal because this time I want more push more. And one more refuel Mohokakra, one more 2 and 3, no one more refuel Mohokakra. These players on any day can take them on and a bit to me cause one more problem. So right now they will only rely on counter attack, but more of the ball and in terms of direction play. Nina Ebejina in the Senegalese for so amongst one more games, our mobile group stages in it took any Guinea. I pay and a woman Lucy possession to them 51 against 41. That can over 60 and their last game against Malaria I think over 70% possession. So they've had more of the ball and in terms of possession there one more to me are dominated par but one more problem no say they are making. So now 10 against 11 it will be very hard for these Cavadians to break them through. But one more and Shani Inzwa, one more to me up and the moment one more record and one more play no best and we've seen it past games are in a one ball and then draw for instance Comoros against Cameroon. So I think that one more break for Senegal to break through and get the opener. One more break, it won't be easy for them at all.
Senior, so far 35 minutes still barren.
I say Senegal, I don't know what is happening to them, but I say Verde for the game really frustrating. Although numerical advantage wise, Senegal is on Senegal, they are not getting their rhythm of the game. Until I say Verde for another game, although Senegal fully keep possession, they are doing all right, but they are struggling to break down the Verdean defense, and it's a problem now. Very frustrating. I don't really see the tactical play of the Senegalese. We don't say again, we say win, you don't really see what they are really doing. And I think it's because of the way the Cavadians are playing. One more game really frustrating Senegalese, but I'm hoping and anticipating as the game grows up at a point in time maybe Cavadians never break a car and then they use the numerical advantage to win the game. That's what I'm really expecting.
And then it's some Kwame Sedeka and Storia Tuja. Yantua game so. Bonamerica Van a bunch of fortes. Obetuachena, Wapiana Quacha, Commander Fortes. I'm a fortis you no. Wapia Montero, Law Passage. Tavares Nepa, Tavares, Piapasne. Oh, Wakochio, Wanepa, Rodriguez. Oh, now should I be a coach? Yay. Give her a coach. Capo Verde a coach. I'm not saying Chabim. I'm mobile power. Capo Verde. Capo Verde. How much China ya with the same one and so on. Mark Ansa on YouTube I say watching live from Qatar, Doha. Hey, on a blast about preparation and fam. Also share live from Doha, Qatar. My catcher of the Sunny how ye. November, Tibu. About I so I come from we have it. November, my phone car, the car win him. Maka November win him. Maka November win him. November, December, phone car. World Cup, Yabra, young qualified, qualified. Young qualified, craft phone car. Makansa heavy. As I'm watching live all the way from Doha, Qatar. Doha, Qatar. I have it. Walk up here about the phone car. If you ever done it, I didn't a phone car. Oh, I have penalty. Oh, you go. And corner the Senegal. A corner of Senegal, referee from Morocco, Bert Bremer. Ose corner. Senegal gonna get Senegal. Yeah. Bobo na chine baby kura krobia. Bobo na to baby kura.
Oh yeah, me enye me wa kura because games in nyina so far you are running games in nyina every single game. You are running a commentary and I've really watched every side from minute 1 to 90 minutes. I won't be nyina ya hwe teams in nyina and Senegal one more problem na no bie ni. One more benya chances in nyina and the obo no kura bia keke. She in front of him. And this is how they play. And Lewis say this way, you know, they are more bueno. But in their last 9 games, are more ball in all competitions through the even World Cup qualifiers. Women lose just a single game. And out of this, even 9 games, you know, 3 now we to me a draw. But one more performance, tournament team, you know. Okay, a very, very questionable. This particular tournament, you know, one more than bonus because before this tournament, now averagely, one more share over 2 goals. One matches are one more previously. So what I say, 6 games and one more ball through the World Cup qualifiers. Now one more share more than 2 goals averagely. Who can goals one more share any goals considered. So I don't know. Say tournament we know now. Tournament no na almost out because they are also playing us and a team are on so GB. So that is, you know, you can't big guns now. Our African football, they are one of them. But the AFCON, the name AFCON, no Angasano, one more count. One more in Verde for you. Difference being the only difference I want to see in Verde is one more to me appear most, and I say more than that of any Verde. Verde one more, if you know one more ball, one more 3rd time, and I say yeah, one more appear one more 3rd AFCON, one more first time was in 2013. Nigeria edged that particular tournament. Then in 2015 and 2021 our more to me abe. So 3 times, but that is all. One munyina no share down ball bra papa bia enti e afcom was am na American said you didn't get me wrong. One munyina more bra papa bia and they've never been impressive in terms of goal scoring in this particular campaign.
Senegal still searching for the opener. As a popo no bohunu kura Senegal for. Ma popo no bohunu. O ma popo no bohunu. Senegal. Yeah, another afa. Another afa kura. Bona be the 40s. Kevaneba. Yeah, chan natural. Puzigi. Chan natural. Montiero. Unitia. Was about school no be bad boy. Unitia was a bad boy. Ka bad boy ah. Mama ya late in a free Billy Totis. The opposite, I can't say about the opposite. Yeah! Kevin! Should na subone say Kevin Tavares John Wosal Koto. Asate. Urade. Yeah. Kevin for nous on mouille bio. So far 42 echo for the 3 minutes. Senegal Shepi, Kevin Shepi, Sadio Mane. Yes, there you born the French no. Goalkeeper, Okwada on. Obada open goalkeeper. You are. Okwada on. Goalkeeper Kevin. Yeah, say video. Kevin goalkeeper. Kevin goalkeeper à forme. Kevin goalkeeper à forme. And c'est temporary hold up. Oh damn cry. On sait de quoi toje. Le cowboy no kotoje. Le kotoje. Ni kotojo. Kotojo wa samso. Ya na SMP. Ye Senegal supporters na ba. Udi asaye aso na. Amana papa ye. Yena manager muso na yanko. Kaga na fa ben kamida sutem. Che comment na ni yi. Zage da sutem mo ya. Yewra kebi Kofi Anson Pafo kebi oyabi azeke we dia we nkonko uko asana amala balo nya dia boba ozi temu aya kebi mitam ewo chenjire dia ye kebi ya uni makansa do akata aseme me badia bebi amada dia no problem azeke uba bebi amada dia ce n'est pas problème. De kebi, November there, yenya come no wa. Hey, body abo cameraman you. Cameraman, the man you are cutting or the match you are cutting, it is good. Give it plan or pop on the ball cameraman. Say the match you are cutting. Match now chana yama. Now Senegal, I'm out to the temperature of the Mendy never or show me the mano. But Piana ma brantia Diallo to the American captain. Kaluri Koulibaly. Or the Mendy be Mendy never. Senegal tempers to Pierre Ma or see German media. Yeah, James Surmana went to Alpha Bonadi, Papa Guaye. The 9 was say, you know, Guaye, you cross the Bonneau. You want the French row, whatever. Oh, Cabo Verde. I'm so Brian Bantino. Game management. Referee 2 minutes now to so. Yeah, foul. Shay, I just take a bad move. Senior. Senior game no call me. You should say go back.
Senior we game now. Senior make kind. It was a game starting now. Senegal for inside that Kiver for us, but as a Kiver full game number, I frustrated Senegal for into how to outwit them and then get the goals. And they are really struggling. And I think it's the first half. The game will be barren. Will be a doing the mediation say good.
Krabia, I say go now.
Oh yeah. You see idea. I think that we are almost done with 2 minutes a referee the tournament. Maybe second half I leave CC NNM branching because game all the analysis is going to be centered on Senegal because Senegal and woman Verde in ebo. Woman in this competition you didn't can cause a pedigree papa be answered any woman and but per players any in world football everything one more than ball anyhow consistent they've been and then was racing Verde. But I think that and you know na if you're pitching this one more a play against Verde one more ball burning shed ankle so moreover one more previous meetings they've beaten them helter skelter but and then I say first half we need to me the amount so one more call drawing board in so for the first 15 minutes break our mobile now in the second half on the side of the Verde I expect the managers also able to me a working year say one more another test 45 minutes they are almost be to me one day almost didn't consider now one more extended match and also up to them so for now it's been good for Verde because one more play against Senegal and also in favor Senegal so for now everything is working perfectly for Verdeans and I think that one more improvement that of their yehu said you to me I block any the Senegalese from also scoring them so in all share I am running first half on said you then into the second half the more and we so to me about
okay and here Krobia Santina on Facebook Michael Kamoko I say then I'm watching live in Kamoko One Barbering Shop and Business Center. Yes, Kamoko. Oh, heavy papa say no. Oche line was BM and so our shop what size Zingaro? Say Sardina. In well coffee. Very fancy. Fancy right I'm not 12 hours. I'm out of phone from. And the best Freddy can be your first toss me in the chance here. Now, his live commentary and so team about me can say ES Links Security Services and the crime with the live commentary at the Bamidim and sending an Kwame and Ponsedi with my friend AK Senegal at the end of the first 45 minutes and she be sounding like a Verde and so and she be a trying one part your pa of first toss me and so at the commentary about to us.
With a heritage and spirit that never dies, the African dream will always survive.
Ici c'est la terre sainte, la patrie des dieux, bienvenue sur la terre-mère. Le nord, le sud, embrassent l'est et l'ouest, on vit le rêve de Marbert.
En la tierra de nuestros abuelos.
Você sabe que as crianças são futuro, trazendo esperança para a próxima geração.
On docte pour l'Afrique de Djibouti au Sénégal. Comme mendiant, tout ce que je veux c'est soulever le Graal. L'Afrique est belle, l'Afrique est jeune, l'Afrique est forte. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love.
All right, so first department of the game up on area Senegal Shabia. South Sudan walk out in the Converso and Shabia. But happy birthday and come aboard the and the woman Amina. Yes, and the Raddy of Bako account film. So she Radima quantity and the other Wakuma Shabia Radinia Mao. Now be a sweet to me and conquer. So me there enjoy a day, don't freeze. See, I don't come on no. Don't see anyone no. South Sudan special one. Yes, I know, Damia. Yes, what's he again? I was in one also to the Sambaza. Ready to have about Kudia Canifion. Yes, ready. Shedia Ponyakupo to Musobo Sonia Sasiasi. As an anno Tamia, more grace, more wins. Yadawa Kuma Subianum. Yes, sir, Radinama Kamapa. Auntie Adamia. Yan just something you have something to do. You will be to Tiana on the wine Lazar. The Adam enjoy a day, but don't freeze. Tiano, come on, no, and we may to be a monitor sorted from afar. Mayantonka. Yenya Frashianesa. Yes, oko Facebook, come on for the Gumba Baba. YouTube for the so Jomo Samba. Africa.
Fais le Graal, l'Afrique est belle, l'Afrique est jeune, l'Afrique est forte. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love. Enfant de la terre, mère, lève le poing et envoie-lui du love.
Taxi drivers in here. Truck drivers, wow, too, so we'll be able to come out. Yes, we are brutal, Papa. Africa, get it today. Yeah, got you. Tiano, no. Africa. Ooh, what are the my message, remember 0551667755. Mamentonka. Abusha Mamentonka. Where the aba? Kojo Prince. I say crop ya the great. And to Kojo Prince so the aba. Kojo Kofodi and house and fam because all tired. Where the aba George Junior. see AK, good job watching live from Dodo, you know. Hey, Mr. John, Dodo Necro Benzo. Where should you buy Emmanuel? No, Facebook. I see AK and Krobia. I greet you. Omnia just come up. And I acquired Trochi, Bravo Teteno, what Trochio. As a sardine in a very rough way, really, I can't read this sheet. Just you remember. Dama, okay. Yes, I'm not on a community as a dig, I can't know about Patrazana. No. Where so, yes, I'm sure no. I was in an watching live. Life inside Kamoko. That's your shopper. At a message the bar never a buzzer. Prince of Ye, also a command of the year to Susan. Then also say I'm watching live from Kuntna's nice program. At the way I have Facebook message. Who could pay more our YouTuber? I'm for the Abakama Baba. Mrs. Nyumwe, Basia Unipwana. Me do I say Crane Kumi, ooh, Africa, ooh, Rundere. YouTube Anunie Mark Asua from Dubai. Kata Doha. Hey Mike, who you brutal pa Mark answer. Na the idea. Kata di obia be Bobby. Etiye mamentonka baby amonitor soul from afar mamentoka. Where the aba oseke very much win this match. To eliminate Yabubo Kwatene Senegal. Ebenezer from Manfi. Equiapim. Etiebe, mamicha. Uye bruta baba. ES Lane Security Service. Omuna Masuyase. So petty coda papa. All types of decoders be a baby. Abusia yo bipa. Go TV, say DSTV. No friend I yes coming 6% before you kakala kadama. You bet try yama come up. Diano come on aswano no. Yagayo. See mama children can't run. Now to the south to the east again. Ooh, Nibaba. Tiano no. The life for Command Radio 97.1. The total Africa Gulf Nations are to Jawa Cameroon. Yajia Tay and Yasekamapa. Yasi and Namobia, they will not sleep than someone who sleeps up. If you are sleeping, we are there doing this as cameras. But Andra, who go Piemo? Our year, Bubo Quati. At a Cameroon. How many Comoros came and Ramo Bueno? You better be a confirmed the amount. Sandra, pinch be a course, so I will a stadium national. Where Sana, a month for being person, Koshe came to me. But you better be a confirmed. Be my Shramonqua, the Brass Shramonqua. Per report, I will wear banner, almost Nippon shall quite young watch it. Ramos Shramonqua gate and the Bimuswe Prepra. Think of former Shramonqua Andra. I am more yes at the pa, Momush and Mobibia said it. No more preprano, you just from the Tomokama. But to him, hey, sir, house of folk. Could you have no see a kind of Mafano? Omni Rio. Hey, house of folk. Omni Rio pa. We me exclusive near the amount. We have combatted me exclusive. The more latest pa. Mese Kunadu Yadom, o see a kind of Mawafa. Has a form Mumbose. Hey, play a nominee Vianesa. Who could pay my via? or House of Force Secretariat Titi Komo. Te Womy ya say Kotokasudio Mua Jim. A better U10, a better U10 bar. But team are your favorite to sign a brand at any Kuretu Yato. A House of Force. Now, what is that Samuel Inkum? Sir, Obesia Kaima Kotoa Crow. Abrantene Sababiobo. Remember some more exclusive later. Yeah, now. We no sleeve. No someone who sleeves. Message Samuel Inkum. Samuel Inkum. Abrantene Sabobo Quati. And the Kotoko for Nina Busha Mamma. I say, Kodoko format in your Musen Tiasubio. She Abrante Samo Inkum. Me say, Abranteno our town. Me say, Abranteno our town. Abranteno Kumase. Na board no aneno Abrantene Titi Komo. But you be confirm the media for share. Samo Inkum. Like you say, Kodoko form penny phone in Titi Komana and commodity and a toss will be a omni berry. Samuel Kumote asa bobo kwatini kotokoni na wia abushame menya wawa ye France ye to som eba ba mu ne de aba ye break story bia ma kekesa hwe ewie ya kopie mu ewa ya nkranya House of Folk komu training omo ye no Ghana legend Abrante ateni Sule Muntali no he obi beka Muntali hwe oni House of Folk ye training me break di amount Messi Sule, any House of Folk area, Momu ye training. Maybe some sort of sign contract, on-site contract, on your year training. Training no more and be built to me see. That's a major Okroma no Bebo Lagos City. And the Sule, any a House of Folk year training. I'm sure did ya that the matches I just say in no ya. But you bet you are confirming. House, any Sule, yaza. Because you bet you are confirming, you bet you him. Sule ni na omunyo oni omu ye training enya confirm so osanya mom ti wene ko ba krabu baba sura la gadyo si mama chudre kerasere etf kon ya mi atume numre Morocco ni Malawi ba bo 7 pm achira abatu yaso sa Ivory Coast ni ayich ba bo achira 4 pm Mali and Equatoria Guinea 7 p.m. Senesiatia Nyamia Thomas Saturday 29th of January. Quarter final 4 p.m. Gambia and the host nation Cameroon Bebo. Burkina Faso 7 p.m. on Tunisia and it's Saturday. Etiano ne komano no. Yes, no. Eke no. Mesi Sule ani has a training. In case of Obama House of Folk. Yabako. Suba Babe take over this and second department no. Are the war calculated measured commentary. Are the Amakoma 97. Etie for the writer commentator nie. Okay. Babe take over.
Right here, Moby Pia Koba PM. FM Bro Fair toss me and who. On Kuma 97.1. Senegal and Sepi. Verde Sepi. Rafi Bambrama from Morocco. And Chababonape. Wabo Bay. Senegal pass Verde. The piano question that come up Fortes. 40s never was turning 10 as a goalkeeper. It was many a better one. Krobia offered to me I shall say then I'll share from both sides.
Well, okay, so far me who say the coach Edema Verde later will bring to it to me a change. A defender where you know film or the another defender. I don't know though say any performance na in Sweden as a Biana when you some minor injury into the way you know film there. Because Lopez one particular centre back we use throughout the campaign and then first 45 minutes maybe with me a changer. Me say from the tactical point of view maybe the way our mobile adapted to say the Amidi can is a one more dressing room and no man share anyhow our approach second half because the Senegalese are also going to change their approach coming into the second half because Aden and Groff, one more AJ record na to me share or more these are issues our mobile address then I want to find a solution to get the penetration chance on our way to me go. So I think that for now I leave to say call mu pepe with usual formation or this start here but now we share in the Cavadians now. So let's see how the second half also unfolds and said the air corner then you said the bear analyze the game.
Kivera Ensa Chaya Prantia Lopez defender wa Frimo Amadine anuse defender wa Pem Iti Capo Verde Ama Ensa Chaya Borges Dine Opem Kaludi Koulibaly for Senegal Oponi Tente the Akoni Sabe Kumso Asida B Bona Trase Tro Senegal na Bamani Yajibonde free Zamani na ba na asida ya chane na cho reference ya twaso abide chama ni kwa show throwing na twatia my Senegal throwing ya twatia Senegal Kevin and Tampaso to the Simo Wanapa Abrante Rodriguez dummy ya chane na cho reference sorry ya to game no Senegal Fifa FM Abrante Garage wa Pierama Abrante Bonasa Ebananim wa Pierama Senegal free Ghana back to Kaludi Koulibaly anuza Pierama Mendy Ediakoni Sabe Kumso Sadio Mane betu chana wachio Mane probably Mane amfa.
Yeah, I think players now are mobile these top players in our mobile no you say that who be wait to me this time you who a particular player you talking of Abrante Efreno Riyad Mahrez which are on no Kofi Dada o can ever in the Thomas Day party of Ghana or Kofi o in Mohamed Salah for Egypt on also one goal and away to me I register in 270 minutes and one more than bonus so far you can share down here Eduardo Mendy of Senegal or Bayern the form any dia waju Europe this time first game one ball 0-0 keep clean sheet this particular game onyenya ball crampo nyanko no sumpo na why save so on also enjoying the holiday I will post ni mundu Kalidou Koulibaly, another player, unze etire hono, omunso ahihye niye. So these are players are okay. One buy and one share down ye bibia ye ka say atimisi de buy no. Said your year against team way share your year yen share down who say free. Sa players and as a boggers I want obey you but in all I think that a team play and obey team will be very difficult to always say obey who a particular person or carry team no on the shoulders and this Senegalese side one more end for team no NC will be as say one more ball as a team and the one more bono is not always be as a womunya bona one more allocate a certain player always be a feeding the ball now we make a decision for the team so in all here man or that credit so we play in a team and chance in the better was a penalty or no to me a KK penalty in my 3 points and now Musoma to me qualify from the group phase. If not that, and it will be very hard for any Senegal to me qualify. So you know, I think that Uguswa equal team anymore. The presence in the so help Senegal side.
Millicent Jamia, small fire, echo from our command. I'm a real Mamichao. We are heavy. Mamichao, Yakupon Shroud, ye papa. Yakupon Shroud. Millicent Jamia, Yamishroud. Uti commentary. 50 minutes played. Still Senegal 0. Cape Verde, the Blue Sharks of Cape Verde 0. Hey, yeah, too fast with that. Hey. Ya boy Simotete, Cape Verde Epa, Nasukuli Poli, Wajibono, Wapiera Ma Prente Mendy, we're trying to start there, Wapia ye, I don't know about watching. Hey, Senegal 4. The guy for good penmase. At least this is Antony Timnase. When it's now the buy and I said, Major of you. At least this is we are not about you. Mendy no money no more money. Yeah, I'm so sad. What's about watching? Yay. Our mind, Tiasamai, Taranga Lions of Senegal. And then for Mikasa Panumina 7 p.m. Atlas Lions of Morocco. How many Malawi never pour? Cape Verde, yeah, cross the bay. Cape Verde, corner kick. Cape Verde, corner kick. Yes, Senegal player that form. There's a born baby. Born I ask it. Senegal player that form. As was said, so. Every Benrama question, I say everything fine, I say everything cool. I say then let's continue. And corner kick about here. Senegal, Kevin Nasrapi. Police say Kevin, I don't mean about the ball. Yeah, but I trash your office. Oh, I trash. Ya possible money. Sadio Mane on the form. Hey, Mani Anisu Bruno. Keep on saying Anisu Bruno. Mani the phone, keep on zooming. I say, hey, my friend, man, so you go, yeah, keep on Anisu Chimno. Yeah, Medics, no, yeah. Keep on your buyers now. Well, you're so very ready. Man is so very ready. Grab ya. Keep on, I got pin money in that show now. Win a 50-50. 50-50, yeah, kai. Eti me nu na hia.
Money, I say ne chia pai. I say ne chia ne chia pai and very serious. Very serious. It doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look good at all. It doesn't look good at all. Baby, I'm say baby a pie. Oh, hunty.
Yeah, man. See,
baby a pie.
Yeah, goalkeeper and swap.
Neni su Bruno. Okay.
Oh, Antifua. Interesting so.
Because Endra, Deu Park, Joseph Ado, it was similar. On no crowd, and they no crowd, and we you clash you. Ochibon on and qua, Bokeke, Ochibona, or the Lujabon to another house in a new channel. What you need now, crying ye. So, how I understand this coach, this goalkeeper.
Goalkeeper, Simunjanola. I go say the situation, you Jones are out there for so share.
Serious, because Unzendra by me Bekacho and Joseph Ado do no, it wasn't Bibiana or Sheda ye, and Enonema means oh, play you keep an also.
Na money you know say
money did try you money did not try odu so money did not try
some ball from yeah born that from keeper ya keeper say nyano still na hwehwehwe onanti enyina okunanti nya okwa afafa osi yan sesan che ana okwa benku ni university keeper ikwa afafa still no see nyano.
I think the player's life is important than the game itself. You know, I think so. Edu that time, yeah. You say the human brain works in a certain way. I didn't let any team in him say horrible ball. Okay, and now there is a collusion now. It's crash in the buy no. For now, no. Or recover back to normal. I didn't go see and I didn't say or go see ball. Okay, but he is not listening to anybody who say he's not okay. I didn't know one with na park super ball until such a time or back. I am normal. We changing the crowd on Tiasi because na didn't say with na park. I say about fra carbon. Or sorry, pay cannibal episode to me. Sorry, cannibal to me. Sorry. First, whether we're pro, then you is to run away. And that is exactly what is happening. Even I still learn, I say, until I say, I say, ball now, then.
Because referee check keeper, I don't know, so I keep on a red card. Because as a keeper, money, ball, yes. Money, ball.
You are game management. You are no, obviously, game.
You can be another. I'm a year fast, great keeper. I'm a year fast, and keep on keep on away. That's my friend. It's another red card for the goalkeeper.
No, referee not say game.
It's another red card. Another red card.
Oh no.
Another red card according to Cape Verde.
No.
Another red card according to Cape Verde. Cape Verde goalkeeper, you know free master a red card. Cape Verde red card bien. Jose Vancia.
I think referee no. Why referee? We should manage the game. So where's game management? Game management because
senior said no. Just say the rules of the game the same fine.
No, the rules of the game is applicable, but
yes,
the rules of the game says in the opinion of the referee. Until at the end of the day, sometimes you need to manage the game.
So the referee opinion, they say class and empire, no money every need ball. And I keep an effort money. So therefore,
it is very true, but I'm talking about game management. At this point, you are supposed to manage the game. You don't have to. And that's why we say game. You are supposed to manage the game. Sometimes you are applying the, but sometimes incidents beat missing. It means a way there clearly. This is how it's supposed to be. But Charlie referee, you need to because because keep on also the life is at stake. Also, you see. What you say? At least you should manage the game and.
As a keeper, some of them.
On recover. On recover. It's not recovered. It will take some time for you to recover.
Some of them call hospital.
So what you say? On recover.
Do we know Daniel? Yeah, Abranti Rodriguez a film.
It's not fair.
Yeah, Rodriguez a film.
It's not fair.
And you know, Kevin and 2 red card. Goalkeeper Vancia. A prayer in a free assignment red card. And to Rodriguez every mama. Rodriguez every mo. Ama Marcio. Goalkeeper Swabem. Kivet.
Or to guide you there. Yes. Yeah. I'm not against red card, no. Yes, because I know they choosing the other side say 100% he's going by the law, and I think they know they many know anyway and challenging one crowd, but you see players in India no matter. But unfortunate for
so unfortunate for
9 men against 11 there.
Yeah, money.
Onyakat. I don't think so. Bomb because Anka baby a minute in it do 56 minutes in an incident in this and baby an game no do any day one Canadians on approach game no. I wouldn't Nanka me surprise the game no cry be extra time because Cameroon for no they've shown nothing serious up front and I am
it's a free kick. Etia Kevin about 9 against 11. I'm about 9 against 11. I'm going to argue for you. Kevin about 9 against 11. A free kick. Senegal. About to watch baby. This is number 1 on my red card. Kevin about 9 against 11. Yeah, if I put me, I can go to me. God, that baby could have. Kevin upon 9 against 11. Amor, 30 more minutes to play. Hey, I bet you know. I'm going back to the mom, Papa. Hey, go kick about here, Senegal. Give it. I'm a person who ten the pipeline. Kalini Kulipali. I pin body the floor. Give it. Just say Sunday. I don't want your body beam sana upon. Upon the beam sana upon. But I start for Senegal. What to the Akoma? Kulipali. A piano my Edward Mendy Nepa. Senegal pushing forward. A brantier size Nepa. About my cross center. What cross it? Hey, Sadio Mane. Police are pull up him. Referee say, I'll tell you offside. Share. You to so Papa Guaye. You cross the bono. That's what I be. Senegal never press up on presser. Senegal, you're trying to natural referee say, my friend, get up. Your body beam, yeah, uncle. Uvanjame Sami Srena, Kivel Fui. Say, I don't know. Uvanjame, Madaroma. And yes, I'm a slicky Vena. Bono Mubona. Yay! I go Yaba, me am a champion fortis. Hey, frustration. Keep an end to also. Keep an ambulance. You don't know, Cosinia.
That was what I was saying. Unse now the referee is trying to balance the game. Unse ball, it was a clear foul, but because of sign up. Sometimes after that, oh yeah, now take a decision in here. Unse the decision will be hunting you. Then you are forced to compensate. What I say? The referee in Senegal actually.
Favorite, in Senegal won't be to me winning. Last previous meetings, 4 meetings, I won't to me Senegal to me then a winning games in England without conceding a single goal. And this particular game, now one a lucky favorite too, and they crouch the ultimate win and as get a qualification ahead of Verde the quarterfinals. But they started the first half with numerical advantage, a man down for Verde. One more into me, Verde she Jumani to bang which or modern say they are not going to give any room for the attacking force of any Senegal for no. And one more to me in the first 45 minutes. Then just 10 minutes into the second half, another unfortunate scene happened. Goalkeeper no collision with Sadio Mane and referee decision say Obama and the goalkeeper ni red card and wait to me film so 9 men against any Senegalese our mobile 11. I think that it will be very hard for any team Biano to cope. And so far Senegalese and our mama or Menesono were able to mean and the man again Sadio Mane and wait to me and the second goal our tournament and I say Ediama Senegal and Yenina say the modern ball on any day said initially will be some about the performance I wait to me than any this AFCON. Now me just say this team one more boy team play is not only say Wamunya boa, wamun show any sign be as a Sadio Mane and the man in charge for them are always be an one more Bobby man, one more ball as a team. And I think the Sadio Mane to me I justice. The last time I Sadio Mane Asia and Verde, the last time I had this last year 2021, he was on the score sheet. And no one does say way to me I shall go. So the last 2 meetings way to me I shall Keveda abe any favorite teams on also Asia or international scene on also way to me shall Sadio Mane fantastic goal from him and wabone home den yeke.
Sadio Mane when you go on the Senegal so referee Ben Brama Otiena Sum so because Sumo be show answer. Referee Tiena Sumo Tiena Sum Kulibali was say what's the saying? Obi anyo bi she bi anyo bi a she bi asun suru bi awa. Referee Ben Brama for Morocco. Otiena Sum and I referee at Tiache them here sure say best decision no. I said then I saw Kwasheva. Yay Senegal. Referee Kwasheva. Kwasheva so obi sumo bi de ne hwewa asa born hwensi oh really sense and she doesn't change anything na born akwa wi Oh, masa. Referee say there. Yeah. I'm sure I go and call you. Yeah, referee need a social VAR. I'm sure Senegal player because sumo be shewa. The referee saw VAR answer. Oh. Yeah. Grobia. Referee no VAR.
Yeah, I think that we delay by you.
Yeah, I share you about.
And yeah, share the I
share you about today. I said, "Finish say go."
Yeah.
Referee started the sound from.
It was a soft spot. I mean, that go no be to me rule out. Na me nim the obey so at all.
And the referee, Ben Brahma of Morocco. What you go no? Senegal 1, Cape Verde 0. Senior 1-0.
I think at this point today,
Mani signed a form. Yay! Bedisika Bedaji. Sadio Mani da form. Senior. And then Nina winner, then it's still concussion. Yeah, concussion. It's a
head injury there is the most dangerous injury in the game of football.
And I carry us out.
Yes.
Liverpool, I'm on I saw me uniform.
Head injury there. Concussion. Who's the Intina? EPL. I'm going to rule about say that is the only injury that allows additional substitution.
Yeah.
Because when the players make break so
I'm saying Ghana gay 2 money for. I say my brother, so money who so be free. And I am so cano. Oh, the Sunday number the food is fine. Yeah, 3 years was apply. Sadio Mane free.
But I think with the goal there is expected.
Yes,
9 against 11. 9 against a bold 11 men.
Senegal for 11. I keep very 9.
There is no way they will be able to survive. I mean, there is no way.
The bad for him, we are boy in the crowd. The boy say, "Boss, I 9. Senegal for 11."
I think it's a well-deserved lead for them.
Sadio Mane free. Sadio Mane. Hey, we're free. Kiva don't say yes, actually. Tavares a free mama. Abrante Nuno Borges. And swap him. Nuno Borges abem. Nanko for captain defender be no movie. Cynthia. That is to play our defender be. How could I talk defender be? Sadio Mane free. Tiancha Senegal be actually. Sadio Mane after so go no and also team is to a free Koulibaly catch Alice and say Monya na for the pan brama I say akoya 10 9 I found to the ass ba eti Senegal for about do I'm put bobo no mo chire one person be kwa nim na beti afaso eti Senegal ba such a ye obi agotwa Very for them frustration as a team. Senior frustration as a team.
When we play and this time, you'll be frustrated. More especially if you time a woman, you have about 20 minutes in the game. You'll really be frustrated. Say, hey, Krana, I can say 10 minutes be. You can say it's okay. You are fighting your way out and then see say if you can salvage something from the game. But if you get a time a war game in decision, not quite you play and you'll be frustrated. They say the only thing they would do is say at least they would want to guard against Senegal among consider more games, more goals. Senegal at least. But say they went out with an honor, and that's what they're trying to do. I think that's what is happening.
Mania from Mama Bamba Diang Azabem Diang Abem Abrantia Bamba Diang aboard the Olympic Marseille out of French League on him 21 years old. A freaking Koulibaly Kalori Koulibaly defender ma Senegal appear ma Abrantia Diallo Saint-Pierre de Panenim Diallo another Pierre come Abrantia size now past 70 minutes Senegal 1 Cape Verde 0 9 against 11 at Cape Verde football Cape Verde That's a point at Tracy throw. And drawing a 20 Senegal. Given it a pass out to the Tentem. A Prantia Montero. A Pierre Fortis. Fortis better China. Fortis. What was on pool? Fortis 10 1 on pet. It's a Jibon de Friends upon the train at 20. Kevin. When you are going to change my job, I call to anyone at Tiffas. I want to tell you, Jaffa Senegal Napa Senegal Punasa Pianama Diang Pamucha Danosa, you know, another piano quaterema Papa Diop Ataba so Wanapa. Kevin, oh Kevin Napa, oh referee. Referee play advantage. Azanga referee play advantage. Senior. Azanga referee play advantage.
Advantage would have been better. But things like I said, we are referee this time. Bibia the slightest thing, the opposite will compensate. So what I say, you know, instead of saying my game now, a ruling of force, so we have fine opportunity and for me to just flash the card to the Senegalese now. At least give it for no command to Yem Kakra, and that's exactly what we did. An infringement, but Reggie, well, I think you see, there is nothing you can do to defend your one goal that you've considered, because now against Levin, against a side that naturally they are stronger than you, it's extremely difficult for you to get something out of the game.
Senegal Napa Koulibaly Pianama Bunasa Alonso Shobi offside. Offside Etia Senegal. Offside Etia Senegal. 72 minutes. Mikasa Ayo Command. 97-1 Total African Cup of Nations. Round of 16. Senegal 1. Quebec 0. ES Links Security Services. Omadaruma. The live comment dropper. Midian and Anakomi and Ponsaji. But my friend Eke. Alongside Kropia Sante. Writer commentator Kwame Senegal. Summarizers. Senegal is Namatike. Take us to a Sibaba Papa. Oh, Sujam Mane. She ain't even she also. I would have it. Oh, yeah. I might do a baby. I might do a baby. Keep Verde. Senegal Napa Koulibaly. Koulibaly. Arbani Bani will appear on Bunasa. Senegal stretching forward on the right hand side. Bunasa, but my channel appear on Koulibaly. Koulibaly, she's showing them on Osa. Koran Fantuwe. Koulibaly. On audio, your ball on pass to Koulibaly. Koulibaly, appear on my wine. Sadia house and why do you want to Senegal Napa Diallo, appear on my Prantia, Bamba Dian, your channel national officer also. Kevin also got a more to wear. Aquananko, you appear about 50. Kevin, also the be. Pony say, Kevin Napa, your channel national referee foul. Kevin so person, ya, and Senegal direct. My champion striker Lamba. Tavares. Kenny Rocha Santos Efrim, ama Julio Tavares Abem. Sansuna. Sandro Samato. Enzo Abem. Abe Ran Mendes Efrimo. Ama Lisandro Samado. Onuzo Abem et Kevara Sachrae. Kevara Sachrae. Capovare Ama Sachrae. Capovare Sachrae. Abantra. She. I bet you some kind. She was 40s. Kivana ba goalkeeper Marcio. Abaji Bono Body Beam. DJ BKB on YouTube. I say keep the fire burning or command. It's your DJ BKB. Listening to live inside Zurak haircut in Atimpoku. Atimpoku for me heavy. Yen chama we Atimpoku. Can't know what we call it this. Some crab on the 70. Abafi. Atimpoku. Labi Prince, I'm saying, I'm doing the listening inside of Ukugwa. Labi Prince. I say, Otie, our Ukugwa. Ever say it. Udwa Ukugwa, upon Chekra for BM. Upon Chekra, over BM. Come on, BM. Thank you, Swa. And I see that one.
Sapepe.
Upon Chekra, or Ukugwa, Maka Johnson.
Anke home pampa, you know. Anke. And you may anke buffer hand can you? But I'm saying, me one December pem.
And Chakra, I can say, Grand, I'm quite sorry.
Hey,
Upon Chekra, BM, Ukugwa, Maka Johnson. We have it. We have it, pa. We have Temuka. Kevin! Yay! Tavares. Atifoswa, Senegal, Atifoswa, Sosibaba. Senegal, Atifoswa, Sosibaba. Senegal, Naba, one about Mendy. Appear them up, Brante, Pamba Diang, back to Mendy. Mendy, the boat through past the shower. Senegal, Naba, Senegal. Yeah, go inside Yanka. Pamba Diang. We are going to bonnet. Krobia, we are going to bonnet.
Yeah, a very young chap. Osina kan yɛ de ma Olympic Marseille ɛwɔ the French league. Mɔne Papi ne Papi sa wɔn nyinaa na ɛwɔ Olympic Marseille, and this season pɛ ana wɔn promote no ɛde no ɛba the senior side. Very young player but talented. Ɔnhyɛ dɛ nya more minutes and boy this time wohwɛ the games are up on 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 20 minutes. Ana ene yobo nya ɛbɔ ɛwɔ Marseille because the likes of Dimitri Payet no money ade ɛwɔ enimu abɛyɛ den sɛ ubenya biabo. But I think that once they were at this Central Africa for no one more players, you know, one more aircon French league, one more in the kakra send a development, you know, okay. And French teams, you know, teams are one more to me nature developing players here per recent time. Over the last 5 years, no other country now will produce better players than in the French league, you know. In terms of players, akuku dama one more Europe one more na young akoto talk about Spain, England, any other Papa Funina no. It has been in the French league through the way one more developing players, and I think that the modern bono if is our future and very very talented player.
Bambanyang on the ball. Kevanaba, a Chessibono Tavares, Asafa. That is your friends up here. The ma protect Koulibaly. What is up here? Bonassa. Back to Koulibaly. Senegal. Setmane. Hey. Minipana Bozuliano. Yeah, champion Fortis. I don't know if boot to red or tournament with him. Who's so be a boot to red that? Who's so be a boot to red that? Kevel for no. Senegal pa. Bunasa. Buna. But my boss shot a few Bunasa. I could have born here. Senegal. Yeah, Gozano. Yeah. Capo Verde. Press and I know the moment. Senior.
I think Senegal amount of pressure, but I must confess, I'm really impressed with Keved for me. They've really put up a fight. Okay, 9 against 11 now. Okay, baller. Senegal followed by still in so many. But I'm even surprised at Aliou Cisse, Senegalese coach. 9 against 11, and you are still keeping 4 defenders in the game. I don't know. Meaning that is a difference between your white coaches. No, they are learned or no. White coach or unya numerical advantage or be punish well but more freely say yes game now born or does and 9 against 11. So the guy should have been up by 3 or 4 goals by now. But he's still keeping the same players in who are Keita about the Oti bench, who are other players who are experienced. But the bench in this one 1 against 1-0 80th minute, and you say it doesn't speak well of you. And I don't know, but I'm really impressed with the Cavadians. They've really done very well. They've played very well. They say the only thing they can do is to defend and then go home with an honor, and that's exactly what they are doing. So I think they've done.
That's
very
okay.
well.
No coach, no tea. At least he say yes, such a
80th minute answer.
Papa Guay.
You don't know.
Papa Guay Ofrim. Ama Brante Joseph Lapi Elswapem Sansuna Abrantia size Efrim Ama Palo Toure Forte Palo Toure Anuswapem. Yes, I know the midfielders never. The midfielders never. The midfielders, any defender. Balo Toure defender.
I think, I don't know. I don't know what he's coming to defend. Minimum, I don't know about it. What are you coming to defend? So what are you coming to? And I want to go none about the defend.
Balo Toure defender or AC Milan.
What are you coming to defend? I don't know.
And I brand here,
they are not coming forward with any threat. I think by this time we say we'll be more attackers, but now if you say bit many 2 goals. It's a Senegal and men when you give me more than 2 goals, I'll be highly disappointed in them. I'll be very disappointed in them. And it is more possible because Verde for no still are really playing very well. I don't know, but sure.
Shots in the goal! Goalkeeper Achibono. Senegal, we say, Kosa near ball 87, that's still 1-0. Senegal Mushini, because we remember all out. Another time, I remember all out. Uyo, ball out. Hey, Afro mind. Afro mind, you Senegal 1, Cape 0. 82 minutes ago, Bonaba di Mendy, Pierre-Ma Brantia Diallo Lepa to Bamba Diang Pierre-Ma Brantia Balo Toure across the bay, other way you born okay bad. Give up for the born or other way you born a free walk. Cabo Verde defending very, very well. Although over the farm. And they are about 9 against 11. That's a Senegal. Cameroon Nafa. Senegal. Yeah, what's a bono? Hey. Bamba Diang. Hey. Senior.
Hi. I think this could be. I don't know, but this could be the miss of the tournament. I'm yet to see. I don't know, but I don't know. Hey, no.
Idris Gana game.
How?
Idris game.
How possible? A player of such pedigree, any caliber. I mean, you've seen it all. Experience, exposure. How come such a chance now? I don't know. I've said, since Senegal and Timon will give me over 2 goals, I'll be highly disappointed in them. I'll be extremely disappointed. But it looks more likely, said, this game will end no more than 1 goal, just like it is now. And I'll be very disappointed in Senegal.
So Senegal, what say? What I'm saying, 7 minutes more, but I Cape Verde. Cape Verde, I want to be, yeah, Cape Verde. I said, you want the French roll. Crop, Cape Verde.
Yeah, I think that. Papa and Cape Verde and Comoros and Gambia. These teams, I think that Cape Verde and Comoros will debut tournament or mobile AFCON money. But for Cape Verde, the 3rd time in year about 2013-2015, and this particular one, and I think the performance.
Cape Verde, yeah! What the Abrantia? Montiero. Police, Kevin, pressure, Kevin, mais c'est on me call out. Kevin, across the bay, across you, Stopira, Police, Abrante, you're on a fabono. Urade. Bregu. Probably.
Yeah, okay, and Ushe chances are in Senegalese for no inya. I want to me utilize ya. Ejuma Womwa Yene Alusi Ejuma and you the entire team clinically Ubibia and function. even with their strikers na any who can typical six defensive midfielder or say chance we are to me and one because boy and share was Senegal this time round. I don't think say one more ayebribi papa bia or any team games are one to me aboni and going forward, may expect to say one more a bit to me. I left up one more performance because this performance in Senegal. The only positive for them is one more from goalkeeping bedroom method, one more very, very, very solid, and it's not easy, say even an interval of every 20 minutes, even to create a clear cut chance out of them is very, very difficult. And it's either they score you one and you find it very difficult to get the equalizer, or you score them first and they will also find it very difficult to equalize, because one when you want say who the kind show my function I able to me about that goes then one more show one more one so hey standing block for all the teams, and I say to all the teams say who be to me and penetrating, and then the only positive are in the boy Senegalese, and if not that and he is Abri can't something different.
I freaking got him a Kevin. I freaking got him a Kevin. Upon your bell, Kevin. Yeah, Fletcher. Police say Kevin. Across the baby. A boat or just say there's a me am crashing me. I want one out to be. Hi, Kevin. Oba Munche, Shawabo. I said, Junior, Senegal by 87 minutes. 87 minutes. Hey, Senegal 1, Kevin 0, Yasusobi. Kevin Eba, Kevin, a former level. That's what I be. A branded and was on Pro. Senegal, a bookama, so Simaba. Hey, that's what I be. Senegal Eba, America, Baba, Senegal, a branded, yeah. Senegal, Bonabedi Ghana gay across the bay. Senegal, Bonnie say, this could be the second goal. Share. Hey, Senegal. Just say, I don't know. Mentia see you. Bonnie say, what I trust you, Senegal. Senegal for you serious.
I'm highly disappointed in them. Because ball of Mubonde no quarrying and so any back say. I mean, I give the credit to the Verde. They've done very well. They've stood very resolute, and they've done very well. They've defended their lines very well. I don't know Senegal from Minim. I don't know, but they've done very well. And I don't know. Senegal from they have a lot of work to do. They have a lot. 2 versus 2.
Kevin Ebo, Ajebengu, Wadibono, Kevin, yay! Hey, I can't believe I'm about your 40s. Hey, yeah, Senegal, Senaba, Bunasa, Senegal from Unkili game. Share Senegal for your serious crowd. Yeah, Kevin Fabre. Oh, yeah, Kevin Fabre. My bre. 89 minutes. 89 minutes. Senegal 1. Cape Verde 0. Let's say Cape Verde upon 9 against 11. Cape Verde upon 9 against 11. At least this is Wassan. At least this is Wassan. What part of the kid I'm going to do? I'm going to Wassan. And corner kick in the Senegal. And corner kick in the Senegal. Bunasa. Bakumienu. Why are you calling Nadia Simo? That's all baby. Another corner kick. Senegal must have one credit in grass here. Moving 1 year cry. Hey, referee the 5 minutes and Atoso. Referee the 5 minutes and Atoso. Fourth referee. Yusuf Lai from Ghana. I know Tia him na mu ya no de omaba. Kwana ya bon Tietiem, Bonabedi. Paulo Touré, back to Ghana gay. Or the Paulo Touré, Senegal. Ewura Senegal. Diallo. Or the Beko Chilepe. Same kind. About the man goalkeeper Edward Mendy, Abedini Diwa. control be Kevin Eba kuwani me yaso ni national referee say foul etia Senegal bo se ko extra time be ya ko extra time be ya free kick ma Kevin ya bonne ten ya pin bonne free chiro bonne say Jono so atiafa so 2v1 2 versus 1 Senegal wey dey Mansa moya wufo she ego Senegal say 2 we go any go say problem Senegal say 2
yeah Abranta here can say Diano our buyer from Olympic Marseille or no one here can say very very talented guy and I think say to me the first goal for an 18 in the first goal for AFCON I think say no so be to me but Senegal this time so be a two abontin say final Senegal she second goal krana me say idea e no one and okay one we deserve is one goal in the game.
Senegal 2 Kevin 0 Akuyi class power Bamba Dieng wa second goal ni ama Senegal goalkeeper obi asen pra Senegal player bi pra ntino oda bama no so se ma die bi da bama no so yanju Senegal then I do am point 10 against a year 9 na am fan mo it's second goal Korea Senegal Rafi Ben Brahma from Morocco I say Krachi Brawichin pass the ball no I say Krachi Brawichin pass the ball no I to give a bless now this Ejina Park Michael Sayo Kuman 97-1 Total Africa Cup of Nations AKM wom Krobia wom Senior wom Senior idea come about Sumo be the national Senegal na Sambo na so champion Fortis oyibo de frechiro Fortis Fortis the man with the red boot a pass there bedi apprentice Montero onibon ball Montero twa no sate Montero abo pass na so ga bi Edward Mendy wa bet ball no 5 minutes referee to so abom miensa ekwa 9 Eduardo Mendy Bawia Stefan nyina 2021 nyina ono ni keep oni ball ne chi biasi nyina Eduardo Mendy Senegal dabi a throw-in a throw 4 minutes now about of 5 Senegal Emerson Amaya Sacharae Senegal and Sacharae throw-in ato Kevin Epa Kevin searching for consolation Kevin Tavares ma Koulibaly chow dia we chow free because he appointed sa Tavares apparently was they are quite ma another Fortis appear ma Samado across the beam Samado cross the ball attraction through 5 minutes na swanesa 5 minutes na swanesa Mr. Shannon so 7 p.m. Morocco ni Malawi me who shocking bi wom me who poke krabi wom e bebo bi di na hwo 5 minutes na so referee Ben Brahma from Morocco upon Ben game ni nyina palawiye Senegal 2 Kevin 0 enti yerbesi na right abeye yi na akope bi pensu bi anom enti at the end of the 90 minutes Senegal 2 Kevin 0 another round of 16 game at my period Senegal qualified akopie mo quarter finals Enti anwumere 7 p.m. Morocco ne Malawi so bekoso. Kwame Senegal tenenka. Krobian so tenenka. Medin na Kwame Amposadi eke I don't know. Mijamo de ama writer. That's a writer so. Etma property about 6:45 betna say. That's a bibi anso no. Etmi akoso kama. Mijamo na fin so writer. Etmi abeto aso.
Yeah, we stand at the cradle of our fathers. We came to win, we accept no defeat.
We are young, we are strong, we are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea.
We stand for Africa. Yeah. Yeah, we stand at the cradle of our fathers. We came to win, we accept no defeat.
We are young, we are strong, we are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea.
We stand for Africa. Yeah. Yeah, we stand at the cradle of our fathers. We came to win, we accept no defeat.
We are young, we are strong, we are champions. We gonna rise up above the sea. Africa unite. Together as one.
Celebrating African ways, African loving African people. African